It's red now.
It's green. Okay, that's right. Okay, this is my own version of Greek potatoes. You slice them up, just like this here. Some people do it the other way, like French fries. You rinse them out with water a little bit, get them wet, shake it all up. Yeah, wash my hands. And you take some Greek spices.
Where can you get the Greek spices at?
You can get them at Walmart or different places. And you put them in there. Let me get a fork. Supposed to put them in the oven, okay? So I didn't put them in the oven. It all depends on the people's Greek spices. I'm Greek, so I put a bunch of stuff in it. I haven't had any complaints. But usually you put them in the oven. You fry them in the oven. Since we're in the motorhome, we're doing it. We're going to do it in the skillet. If they don't come out right, you won't put it. Oh, you dummy. Okay. You got it like that. Oh, we got an onion. And you put a little bit of salt for flavoring. Mix it up.
The onion's behind the right there.
Yeah.
Behind the strainer in the bag.
Oh, the onion. You're talking about the onion. I'm talking about the pepper. Okay, everybody knows how to do the onion, so go ahead and stop that right now. All these people coming up and they say, well, you do this, it tastes better, you got all the vitamins, ain't no vitamins on it, it's just dirt. Man, I don't have the style here, it ain't cutting it. So you cut it small. I'm cutting small because we don't have big teeth. It's mostly for taste. Just touch it out, probably better. You can touch the different sizes. If it comes out, it comes out.
Big news, Fry shoppers. Now you can use your points to get dollars off groceries at checkout.
My counter sucks here.
Save points, more choices. Redeem your points today at friesfoods.com.
And you take and just put them in there like that.
Independence Weekend at D-Max and enjoy extended post-game fireworks shows at Chase Field on July 3rd and 4th. Presented by Bar S. Get your tickets at dmax.com.
I know, I don't have a cutting board. This makes a good cutting board anyway.
At Fry's, you can save up to $35 per fill-up when you redeem your points at the pump.
Okay, you put it in here, and where's the pepper at?
The what?
Pepper.
The pepper is back here.
You gotta put some pepper in the food. You don't have to put too much.
Here's the
Just
pepper.
enough so for taste. Everybody puts it after the meal's cooked. Well, spices and stuff does not work into your food unless you put it in there beforehand. Okay, that's good enough. Mix them all up. You put a little bit of olive oil. I just barely put it in there and just move it around a little bit. Now we got it all set up. It's got a little bit of juice in there and a little bit of water. That makes the spices stick better. The potatoes and the onions. And then you sit there and you get this. Not yet. Gotta warm up a little bit. Then you put your onions away. Give me a bag here. We're going to make some other stuff. Last the bag. I did it backwards. Left the bag. Get the air out of it. Fill the bag. We'll put that over there. Move all this.
Your oil's boiling. Or
Over
bubbling.
here. I got the oil too hot because I'm trying to do stuff that I'm not supposed to be doing. Okay, we got it nice and hot. We'll take it and we'll just pour that in there. And we'll sit there and we'll fry them up. Okay. Trying to keep them flat, don't bunch them up. You can put other spices in there, depends what you want. A lot of people put vegetables in it. We're just doing just the fries. And put it on there, and I don't have the right lid for it, so I'm going to put this lid right here like that, and we'll just let it cook. Well, some people will put the onions in there and pre-cook the onions. I like to put them all in there and make it taste better that way. I already said that. So, this is more of the food for one person. Or you look at it, you just starting to get brown, just been cooked. You don't want to overcook it too much. Just wanted to taste it, the onions, and that's it. And we took this exactly 15 minutes. The pan is already set. The thing is, if you want to make a dinner out of it, if you only got one egg, because I only use one potato here, I'll show you how big that potato was. Maybe just a hair bigger than this potato. That's it. You can take an egg, when you cook it about this much, and then you take it and you scramble it. And you got one heck of a meal. That's for that. So, now we're going to have the potato sauce, taste it out. So we take it a little bit. Okay, we got all the stuff out of there. I'm getting a little bit fancy here. You put it on there, but if you had eggs, you could do that. And then you take it, you put a little bit of garnish on the top of it.
Celery, parsley.
Whatever you want to put on it. And then, usually I put about 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it. If you look at the pan, there's hardly anything. in there. There's a little bit of oil. You put it on there. You can taste it and see if you like it. If you don't, if you need more spices on it, put more spices. Greeks love olive oil, so Italians, they go nuts with it. I didn't put as much as they usually do. But that's the dinner, so a taste taster taste it and see what they look like.
Yeah.
Okay, there's our taste taster. I'll let you talk about it. I'm the cook.
Tastes good.
Too much salt, not enough salt, too much oil, not enough oil.
That's just right. It's like if we did it in the oven.
And that's all it takes, about 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this little bit short video. Sorry if she caught me with no shirt on. It's kind of hot out here. I usually don't cook like that, but I'm used to heat anyway. Working in Phoenix, Arizona, you get used to the 110, 20, 30 degree weather. So a little bit of water ain't going to kill me. I had more hot oil on there when I was changing oil in the car. But this is AB Roadrunners, and we'll see you down the road and do whatever. But that's the way it is, and goodbye, and we'll see you on the next video.